What's up? This is Daniel Copus from Allison Contracting. I'm going to show you today how to use a saw to cut concrete to replace a sidewalk. As you can see, I got you set up where you can see there's a crack here in the concrete. It's actually got a little bit of weight on this side, so it actually made a big crack in it. And we also had a tree that we removed. The roots came through the bottom and cracked the concrete. The main reason I want to show you is because this saw here has a unique feature, and you're not going to be able to hear me after I start the saw. But I would like to show you on the bottom of the saw here. As you can see, it's a Hilti saw. You rent it from Lowe's for like 40 bucks for 4 hours, or you get it for 24 hours. It cost me 100 bucks altogether. You gotta have a debit card because you gotta have a down payment in case you take off with it, because it's expensive saw. But this is the only one that comes with a blade. If you rent one of the other ones that you actually have to put gas in them, they're a lot better, but you gotta buy a blade or rent a blade, and they're pretty expensive, so they get up there. But anyhow, this one works just fine. It's hooked up to the extension cord, and basically we pop a line, and with a chalk box, and we measure it over and pop our line, of course. And then I scar it first. I start the saw up, and I draw, I scribe the line out with the blade, so that way when I start, it don't erase the blade or erase the mark, and then I get off and it looks all crazy. Anyhow, we're gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna show you how this works. The saw has these two wheels on the front that make it as a pivot where you can actually just about cut with one hand. I wouldn't recommend cutting with one hand, but it's that easy. It's real easy. Anybody can do it. I'm gonna show you how it works. Here's the wheel right here, like I said. You got the wheel sit down. And you hold it. You gotta press this button in, and then you pull the trigger back, and it goes, right? So, there you go. Blue rake again, dog. And that is how you do that. As you see, we use the wheels to push it, and it kind of keeps it standing up. So I got concrete on its way. I gotta go. Hope you like it. Share, like, subscribe, and check out the other videos.